face my fears. Gave my mama tears. Shifting gears, shift on the knuck, get serious. Face all your fears, then get at me. Get so many donuts on them back streets. Sit so high in the nosebleeds. Feel like I can fly, yeah. Burger check, Bill, Bella check. Take the L at the ball, just so I can flex. Take the L at the mall. Walking with the sex, take the L at your bra. Now she can't go back. Saying Burger check, Bill, Bella check. Take the L at the ball, just so I can flex. Take the L at the mall. Walking with the sex, take the L at your bra. The coupe came imported. The seats is all white, coming snorted. Green Lamborghini, your tortoise. No human being, I'm immortal. Protect an AP for the water. 100K I spend on my senora. My picky on margarine butter. And my ink got McDonald's niggas. Soon as I land on the Lear, who gets they wet tears. 488 hit the gears. Suicide, don't Britney Spears. I'm bougie, so bitch don't get near. Chris Angel make dope disappear. Hit the gas, it got flames out the rear. It's a race to the back of the mills.
Ride the dick like a BMX. No nigga wanna be my ex. I love when he go on tour, cause he comes small. When I see him less, I get upset. I turn Offset on. I told him the other day, man, we should sell that porn. Yeah, Cardi B, I'm back, bitches. I wanna hear I'm acting different. Same lips that be talking about me is the same lips that be ass kissing. These hoes saying what they say they are, and they pussies think they catfish. Same hoes that was sending shots, they reaching out like they back itching. Why would I hop in some beef? Why? When I could just hop in a Porsche. You heard she gon' do what from who? That's not a reliable source. So tell me, have you seen her? Let me wrap my weave up. I'm the trap Selena. Dame my gasolina.
Motorsport, put that thing in sports. Shot it bad.
He say he love me like Lucy. Get you a straw, nigga. You know this pussy is juicy. This Givenchy is custom made, now you can't get it at Saks, though. I don't work in the office, but they copying and that's facts, though. I ain't trying to be violent, but if Nicki on it, it slaps, ho. Get you line for that paper like a loose leaf when that strap blow. With a couple bad bitches that'll rip the party. Quavo to QB, I'm Nick Lombardi. Pull up in a space coupe, I done linked with Marty. I can actually afford to get a pink Bugatti. And yo, Nick, didn't you just do a hit with Gotti? My niggas send hits with Gotti. So rap like them things on the head of a Saudi. Bitch, you my son, go and sit in the potty.
Run the Chanels, I got them running from 12. Ain't made no commitment with none of you bitches running, you treating me well. If niggas, she show me a titty, right hand on the Bible, I swear I'm okay. If I get to play with that kitty, I wonder how many platinums we gon' sell. Pop a perk and catch a feel. Now I cannot feel the wheel. My chest bag give me chills. In the left hand, the wheel. Not the watch, but the price on the ice. If you don't know what that is, motorsport, motorville. Abort the mission, that's a kill.
Motorsport, put that in sports. Shot it bad, pop it like a court. You a dork, never been a sport. Pull up, jumping out the door. Cotton candy, my cup tastes like the fair. Straight up there, didn't take the stairs. Face my fears, gave my mama tears. Shit the gears, on the knuck, get serious. With my grandma can see it. Take away pain ain't easy. That's why I vibe for blazing. Niggas not capping the season.
когда он ездить перестанет.
Good evening, everyone. I am Ron Delirious here with the Culture Ride. I am the hostess with the mostest, bringing out three incredible, wonderful musicians all the way from North Atlanta, Georgia. Please start clapping your hands now. The Migos.
Yeah. Whoa, hold on. Walk it like I talk it. 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 Hey, walk it like I talk it. 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 Hey, walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Take my shoes and walk a mile, something that you can't do. Hey, big talks of the town, big boy gang moves. I like to walk around with my chain loose. Chain. She just bought a new ass, but got the same boobs. Whipping up dope scientists. Whip it up, cook it up. That's my sauce where you find it. That's my sauce. Look it up, find it. Adding up checks, no minus. Add it up, yeah. Get your respect in diamonds. Ice. I bought a plain Jane roller, these niggas bought they fame. I think my back got scoliosis, cause I swerved the lane. Heard you signed your life for that brand new chain. I heard. Think it came with stripes, but you ain't straight with the gang. Walk it like I talk it. 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 Let's go. Walk it like I talk it. 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 Hey, walk it like I talk it. Walk it walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it.
Hey, I gotta stay in my zone. Say that we been beefing, dog, but you on your own. First night, she gon' let me fuck cause we grown. I hit her, gave her back to the city, she home. That was that, so I can't be beefing with no whack nigga. Got no backbone. Heard you living in a mansion and all your maps though. Put your shit up like the trap on this Google Maps though. We been brothers since Versace Bando. Whoa, name ringing like Amigo trap phone. Whoa, used to be with Vasty and Santos. That's on Tommy Campos. We live like Sopranos and I.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're at the point now where we are going to find out which way does the culture ride go. You have 30 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. The answer is that way.
Niggas pocket watching. I want that dish, that menage. Which one? I bought a franchise to double up the profit. We make a landslide, chopper get the poppin'. Elliot got me rockin'. Plug socket, chicken teriyaki. Take off rocket, keep them in pocket. Water gon' lock it, quadruple the profit. I walk like I walk, talk like I talk. What's in my vault, load of cash and the sauce. I put a lab in my loft. She cook up and jack with the phone. By the pair, I got carrots that chose. By the pair, I got carrots each load. Private line, private just round the globe. Hit a bitch, hit a lick with the chose. Walk it like I talk it. 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 Let's go. Walk it like I talk it. 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 Walk it like I talk it.
I just walk, no been walking. Walk it like I talk it. That's my bro, he know the lingo. Ain't no walking talking. This some you know, why don't we know? Hold out on that coffin, smoke the cookie, get the coffin. Drop that fresh, I need a coffin. Callin' something we do often. Take the pot and I splash the dolphins. And now they go buy me a faucet. Walk it like I talk a nigga done bought it. I paid a coat, so I gotta call it. I'm in the shit, so nigga just down. She got the beard and that's all the problem. I get a rebound and tucking my spot.
Walk it like I talk it. 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 Let's go. Walk it like I talk it. 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 Walk it like I talk it.
В игрушки играешь. Займись чем-нибудь полезным.
Хватит!
Приготовьтесь увидеть мир.
Нашими глазами. Добро пожаловать
В адреналиновую реальность. Мы начинаем борьбу.
против самых несправедливых стереотипов. Чтобы все узнали. Игра. Это серьезно.
Smoke
wanna bet that you never find another like me. Once in a lifetime, only get all of me once in your lifetime. I'll leave you drowning in your wet dreams, swimming in the love, stuff it up in your wet dream, baby. Let me blow your cover. Come on, make me wish I was your part-time lover. You got something that I believe I've been waiting for all my. We're blazing high, smoke fills the night. I'm gasoline, your fire. Oh, you're burning me down, burning me down. Oh, you're burning me down, burning me like my body up.
Girl, you know I got that thing right up at the darkness. Made that thing a starfish, right up on my swordfish. I'ma play sports, then you very naughty. Ooh, you raise the bar, you take it far, you raise it R. But keep it tight, tight, take it deep. Go so far down on you, I lose Wi-Fi, give me high five. Cause you know you gon' need it. Got you lit like tick-tick-tick, like tick-tick-tick, tick-tick-tick.
You got something that I believe I've been waiting for all my. We're blazing high, smoke fills the night. I'm gasoline, your fire. Oh, you're burning me down, burning me down. Oh, you're burning me down, burning me like my body up.
Тарифы со скидкой 20%. Безлимит на видео, музыку и соцсети.
First you get the money, then you get the power, respect. Hoes come last.
Oh my god, Ronnie.
Ay, get it, 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 get it. Open up the safe, bitches got a lot to say. Pussy in your face, had to put you in your place. 7 letters on the plate, fuck you when I break. I got cars, I got bags, I got real estate. Foreplay, I ain't come to play. I got big fish money, he gon' bite the bait.
Yeah, can you drop it down, make that ass talk to me?
Keep that energy, gone up the Hennessy.
Ass.
I need my bag quickly, separate 6 degrees, bitches think they know me. Sex pistol, sit vicious with you when it's horny. Hit me on my cash app, check it in the morning.
Cash.
In this bitch shining, dressed in designer. She could get
grimy,
and it's perfect timing. Gym with the tonic, Bella Hadid, homie could get it. Ass, cash, cash, ass, bags, bag. Ass,
get it, get it, get it, get it,
cash, cash,
get it, get it, get it, get it,
ass, bags,
get it, get it, get it, get it,
bag.
get it, get it, get it, get it.
Ass rules everything around me. Deep in that pussy, yeah, I'm drowning. A shark in the water, how you found me? Best gift from round me. I'm a dog, I go hunting like a bounty. Yeah, make my own rules. Tattoos on that ass, she do night school. Welcome to the Players Club. High school. Diamonds might think that bitch ass Photoshop like rappers with the auto-tune. Your checks is not approved. RM52 in the skull, waterproof. Niggas talk a lot of booth till they outside the booth. My niggas like Golden State inbound, pull up and shoot.
Cash, cash, ass, ass, bags, bag. Ass,
Get it, get it, get it,
cash,
get it,
cash,
get it, get it, get it,
ass,
get it,
bags,
get it, get it, get it,
bag.
get it, get it, get it, get it.
Ass rules everything around me. Deep in that shit, got 'em drowning, drowning, drowning. Ass rules everything around me. Shark in the
coming over. Told that bitch to kick rock, she act like it's a boulder. Ayy, Rory, shopping, that mean copping, always popping, hella popping. She's a bopper, homie, hopping, ain't no stopping. Album dropping, got the city on fire. Bitch lying on me like she tired. I'ma have to fuck around and call Kamaya. Whole stirring up the pot, jambalaya. And girl,
Hit it one time, I'm a piper. If I hit it 2 times, then I like her. If I fuck 3 times, I'm a wifer. It ain't safe for the black or the white girl. It ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe. Tell your man pipe up, nigga pipe up. And advance from the safe in your face when you say money dance, turn this shit into a nightclub.
Fuck him, then I get some money. Yeah. Fuck him, then I get some money. Hey. Fuck him, then I get some money. Yeah. Fuck him, then I get some money. I need face, I need brain, concentrate. I perform product pace, killer weed, rock a lace. Fuck the move, by the ace, fuck the gold, drive a race. Get some money, fuck the rollie, patty face. My career taking off, these hoes jogging in place. Where these hoes on their mouth, are these hoes out of shape? Stuck with all the subs, bitch, I ain't cherry. If you really want some smoke, you can pull up, you can get it. Grab a head full of braids, make your nigga eat me out. Put a white boy on the song, I might turn GEC out. Keep it G, from the go to the end, from the start. You know me, Cardi B, pussy popping on the charts.
yeah, fuck with me and get some money and get some money. Ay, fuck with me and get some money and get some money. Yeah, fuck with me and get some money. Yeah, fuck with me and get some money.
Light this up, steam out the roof, pipe up, spitting like the grill needed to turn up. Yeah, I need Camilla in the group, paper up, couple puffin' big with the loop. It ain't safe, none of cash in the safe. Fresh vanilla by the case, fuck the cuffs with my brace. Frenchie is the name, CB is the gang. Let's call a boy, call a couple planes. Ring on like a mace, pussy wet, cash long. Kyrie with the mask on. Keep 100, come and get some honey. Fuck with me and get some money. They'll make it disappear, David Copperfield. Chop on the veil like a lobster tail. Talk best box free like I can have. Talk about the best bitch for a half deal.
Ay, yeah, fuck with me and get some money. Yeah, in Miami partying with Puffy. Ay, she wanna fuck, I told her bring her buddy. Ay, yeah, suck a dick or something. Yeah, what's understood ain't gotta be explained. Ay, strippers at 11 keep me entertained. Money bands just to make it rain. Yeah, third album, nothing was the same. It ain't safe, ASAP. I come from the Bay where the cutty say G. Touchdown in the town, I'm as big as KD. Seeing NBA money, playing a fucking money tree. Ay, diamonds, crystal geyser. Big body, that 488's wider. Pulling up like along came a spider. The 4th time I put a baby inside her. Young
If I hit it 1 time, I'm a piper. If I hit it 2 times, then I like her. If I fuck 3 times, I'm a wifer. It ain't safe for the black or the white girls. It ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe. Tell your man pipe up, nigga pipe up. 100 bands from the safe in your face where you say money dance, turn this shit into a nightclub.
Slop on my knob, like corn on a cob. I break a bitch like China did Rob. Put a hoe to work like she went and got a job. Everybody hit, man, welcome to the mob. Pull up in another whip or some, yeah, a different one. Fuck up another vip or some, I've been killing them. Smoke another sip or some, Billy Kimbered up. Take another sip or some, I ain't lit enough. It ain't safe, got them guns in my race. Got them ones everywhere, she got them buns in my face. I got girls on the pole like they tryna win a race. Free that nigga, take cake, I just got another case. We get drugged up and tear the club up. You too boring for the bitch, get your funds up. It ain't safe, all these diamonds in her face. Fuck around and turn the bitch to Stevie Wonder.
Fuck with me and get some money. Fuck with me and get some money. It's me. Fuck with me and get some money. Screaming Master P. Baby, that ass looking like a masterpiece. Used to open doors with a half a key. Fish scale by the whale, call it catch release. Oh yeah. No limit to it, no limit. I'm still with the go-getters and the gorillas. Old paper got me dressed up like a dope dealer, like a wholesaler. Money smelling like a cold cellar. It ain't safe. No. Turkey bags on me, I ain't giving thanks. Hello. Shoot box for my very first bank. Hello. I might pull up on your court with the tank. No limit.
If I hit it 1 time, I'm a pipe.
the money.
Всем привет! Сегодня я расскажу о лучших подарках к Новому году, а в конце вас ждет конкурс. Интересно? Идемте со мной в Алмаз Холдинг. Первый подарок для любимого. Для этого я выбрала стильные и статусные аксессуары, чтобы подчеркнуть его внимание к деталям. Мне очень нравится эти запахи делового костюма. А о таких классных серебряных часах, мне кажется, мечтает любой мужчина. Для своей мамы я выбрала украшения, которые подчеркнут ее нежность и заботу и выразят мою любовь. Представляю, как она обрадуется таким серьгам с сапфирами. Было бы здорово, если бы она их надела прямо в новогоднюю ночь. Столовое серебро – желанный подарок для каждой женщины. Возможно, этот набор станет для нашей семьи фамильной ценностью. Маленькие леди здесь почувствуют себя как в сказке. Моя сестренка только учится наряжаться. Для нее я выберу яркость, эмоции и радость. Например, этот милый гарнитур с пандочками. А еще я влюбилась в эти серебряные детские ложечки. Их можно дарить как девчонкам, так и мальчишкам. Вкусы своей подруги я знаю. Модный минимализм, ее стиль. Лаконичный дизайн – это отличный вариант, чтобы украсить каждый ее день. Хочу, чтобы мой подарок стал для нее талисманом для новых путешествий или влюбленности. Всем известно, лучшие друзья девушек – бриллианты. Вот мой новый друг. Должна же я тоже себя порадовать. Всем офисам мы выбирали подарок нашему шефу. И мне кажется, это то, что нужно. Серебряный бизнес-набор – это лучший подарок успешному и деловому человеку. А для коллег я выбрала небольшие сувениры. Монетка, ложка-загребушка и символ наступающего года как талисман финансового благополучия. Не забывайте и про подарочные сертификаты. Это легко и удобно. Так же, как и выбирать подарки в интернет-магазине. А сейчас, как и обещала, рассказываю о конкурсе. Алмаз Холдинг подарит новогодний сувенир одному из своих подписчиков, который оставит комментарий к этому видео. Поэтому комментируйте, участвуйте, и пусть удача всегда будет с вами.
It's fucking Treyway, King New York, looking for the queen.
You got the right one. Let these big bitches know, nigga. Brooklyn.
Bitch, so it's not nice. Pussy got that wet, got that drink, got that super soak. I hit that, she a Fifi, honey, Kiki. She eat my dick like it's free. I don't even know like why I did that. I don't even know like why I hit that. All I know is that I just can't wipe that. Talk to her now, so she gon' fight back. Turn around, hit it from the back, bang. Back her down, then I make it clap. I don't really want no friend. Draco got that kickback when I blow that. They all do track, they don't shoot back. One shot close range, bread down head tight. Yeah, I did that. Yeah, I lit that cold. With my shooter, with a Ruger, we gon' do your niggas say they killing people, but I really fucking do it. I don't really want no friend.
Tryna 69 like Takashi, call him Papi, work that ASAP, keep me rocky. I'm from New York, so I'm cocky. Say he fucking with my posse, caught me Chloe like Kardashian. Keep this pussy in Versace, said I'm pretty like Tanashi. Put it all up in his face. Did I catch him close? Pussy gang just got a body, but I never leave a trace. Face is pretty, ask for days. I get chips, I ask for lace. I just sit back and when he done, I be like, yo, how to taste? Yo, how to taste?
I don't really want no friend. I don't really want no friend.
Hey yo, Draco got that kickback. When they kick back, you can't get your shit back. In fact, it's that bitch that I hate small talk. I don't fuck with chit chat. AC just stopped working, so they hit me. Told me bring my wrist back. I'm through rocking fashions that got all these bitches like yo, what's that?
My own hoe just broke his bench. Nikki just hopped in the shit, now I won't see that bitch again. Eeny, meeny, money, mo. I catch a hoe right by her toe. If she ain't fucking me and Nikki, kick that hoe right through the jaw.
Young money, young money bunny. Colorful hair, don't care. I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no friends, no. I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no friends, no.
Опять в игрушку играешь? Займись чем-нибудь полезным.
Это для детей. Хватит!
Приготовься увидеть мир
Нашими глазами. Добро пожаловать
в адреналиновую реальность. Мы начинаем борьбу
против самого несправедливого стереотипа века. Чтобы все узнали.
Игра. Это серьезно.
Adrenaline Game Changers.
Hola, me llamo Onika. Wrist frío, pelo rosa, culo gordo.
Los maleantes quieren gripe, 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 gripe. Todas las baby quieren kush, 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 kush. Los cantantes quieren gripe, 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 gripe. Todas las baby quieren kush, 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 kush. Los maleantes quieren gripe, 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 gripe. Todas las baby quieren kush, 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 kush. Los cantantes quieren gripe, 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 gripe. Todas las putas quieren kush. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Make some room, ho, keep 100 feet away. 50 trucks, when I pull up, we a fleet away. You ain't on my throne, ain't even a seat away. Thanks to Mickey, all these new bitches can see the way. I got the crippy, I ain't talking about the gangs though. Had all these bitches rocking pink hair and bangs though. Now I got them rocking inches now. But I leave these bitches hanging like lynches now. Wordplay got them stepping up they penses now. Still stick me for my flow like syringes now. Still kicking closed doors off the hinges now. Shotgun in them 88 Benzes now. With my plug I call him Pancho, but I think he wants some chocha. I put this pussy in his boca, make my niggas take his coca. Now I'm ballin' like I'm Sosa in that Lamborghini Rosa. Yelling Viva Puerto Rico, all my bitches is hermosa.
Pero ahora estoy pa'l creepy, 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 creepy. También tenemos kush, 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 kush. Los cantantes quieren creepy, 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 creepy. Todas las putas quieren kush. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Aquí pasamos moña por el TSA. Las putas se montan fácil como en GTA. 200k de paper que pedí en eBay. En PR ya es legal, yo firmé la ley. Fumando como Snoop Dogg y Whisca. Las gatas quieren kush, no quieren frisca. Prende un batón como el de la brisca. Dos Phillies se queda visca.
Las libras yo las compro y llegan por FedEx. Priority el paquete Next TV Express. Del celular traqueo con el GPS. Que el chip y se lo cobramos al bobo de tu ex. Que tiene un guille de bichote y lo que fuma es regular. Sintética de esas que venden por ahí en los puestos legales. Que le baja la movie que vaca no venga a frontear. Que somos millonarios y acabo de comprar par de crepa sembrar. Pero ahora estoy pa'l creepy, 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 creepy. También tenemos kush, 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 kush.
Los cantantes quieren creepy, 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 creepy. Todas las putas quieren kush.
Suave midday, Frio Chile. Gotta keep it caliente. The Presidente. Bend it backwards, Papa Willie. Like we in Philly. In your town, I got the Millets. You know the drill, eh? Yeah, butterfly the doors, throw an Ivy Queen in it, then I you get the picture, but I'm still not with the picture still. Hate the liquor drink on my liver still. Got the basement jumping like I'm Tigger. Hold to his muddy, blow to his muggy. With the gang going dummy, thumbing through honest. Keep a stick like it's gummy, wrap like a mummy. Break the bread till it's crummy, eat till I'm chubby. Yeah, me and more the things, me and more the green. Yeah, blowing up the clouds, I hear the angel sing. Yeah, fish tail off the lot, slide on your block and pop the top and then we
Pero ahora estoy pa'l creepy, 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 creepy. También tenemos kush, 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 kush. Los cantantes quieren creepy, 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 creepy. Todas las baby quieren kush, 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 kush. Los
Константин Сергеевич, а что скажете про растущую фискальную и квазифискальную нагрузку на реальный сектор?
Ну, тренд, конечно, восходящий, но учитывая санкционное давление, это, скорее всего, грозит нам стагфляцией. А вы, Денис Владимирович, что думаете о текущей монетарной политике?
Да что тут думать-то? Заигрались меня кейнсианство, а институты не развитые.
А за базар ответишь?
Ну, в целом, да.
Funny Money – это канал про деньги и экономику доступным языком. Подписывайся, чтобы быть в курсе. Поясним за всю экономику.
Парень, грел ты в глаз? Я в сон пол.
Dubai grip on my Dubai. She got a wobbly wobbly wop. She got a wobbly wobbly wop.
Going to the jeweler, bust the AP, yeah. Flying on the water like a jet ski, yeah. I'm trying to fuck you with your best, yeah. Chop up with this girl, so do not test me, yeah. Look, flood, drip, go woo on the bitch. Get this 790, spit the coupe on my wrist. $1 million, I'm a fool with the hits. Hop up in the lemon, drop the roof, show the tits. But you really not gon' shoot. 90 pointers, time my diamond, look like hula hoops. Hop in my Bentayga in the Mercedes on my suits. Balenciaga, check my pulses, Valentino boots. It's the woman out of way, a lot of love, a lot of ways. Never hesitate to give a nigga yellow tape. Ain't worried about the bag, let the cash accumulate. Since we came in the game, all these niggas they imitate. Put my mind on it, then I put my grind on it. Put the iron on it, put the mile on it. Cold 5, running on, put no miles on it. I was running wild, homie, with 500,000 on me. Going to the jeweler, bust the AP, yeah. Sliding on the water like a jet ski, yeah. I'm tryna fuck you with your bestie, yeah. Jump on the shit, do not test me, yeah. With the flood, drip, go woo on the bitch. 5790, spit the coupe on my wrist. $1 million, I'm a fool with the hits. Hop up in the lemon, drop the roof, show the tits.
Dubai drip on my Dubai shit. In mashallah, marshmallows on the wrist. Blue Gotti on the strip on site, bitch, get in. Billionaire club, got some $1 billion friends. T-sticky, I get tricky with mathematics. 6 9, put the bitch, do it ass backwards. Lil pump to your lip like asthmatic. Snow bunny, see the hole, fuck a jackrabbit. Paddock, plain protect addict. Hair long, afro, Kaepernick. Billie Jean, the kid, mine, can't call it. If I take another shot, I'll be alcoholic. Call it, throw it up, dissect all this. Know some secret shit that are in artists. But that's off topic, your old shit can't top it. Your new shit, wash it. Too many diamonds on K-Mosh pit. None of my diamonds treated. Diamonds all anemic. Who's this car behind me? Gotta take the scenic. Even though we don't speak much these days, it's still young money to the damn cremated. Shit crazy. Oops, I mean the shit crazy. I done a lot of shit for niggas who was lazy. Fuck you, pay me. Guess it's business, baby. Okay, I get so busy, hoes get dizzy, yeah. Try to let her go, but the hoe like a frisbee. What you know about $1 million on the schedule? Every day I flex, it's hard to keep my schedule flexible. Got $1 million on my schedule. Send 5 to the city on my schedule. Pretty bitch, ass and titties on my schedule. Switch up, that's the shit that I would never do. I'm never gon' change, yeah, I'm never gon' change. They call me king, go change. Yeah, I need my go change. Yeah, I need my go range. Yeah, I hear my phone ring. Yeah, I hear my phone ring. But I'm too busy. Got $1 million on the schedule. You just put a quarter in, shit, I'm on level 2. Fucking up the game, ain't shit is getting sexual. She wanna put a real nigga on the schedule. High on the pussy, that's an edible. Hardcore T-raw, ain't nothing edited. Money on the seesaw, both sides levitate. What's on your schedule? Hella hate, hella hate. All this cake, it's time to celebrate. Hold up. I gotta check my schedule. All I do is work, nigga. You can check my resume. I get so busy. Hoes get dizzy, yeah. Try to let her go, but the hoe like a frisbee. What you know about $1 million on the schedule?
They think they're crazy, but they ain't crazy. Let's face it, shit. Basically, they just playing sick games. Just spraying 50 A to the K, get in the way. I bring Dre and with me and turn this day into fucking mayhem. You staying with me? Don't let me lose you. I'm not trying to confuse you. When I let loose with this Uzi and just shoot through your Isuzu. You get the message, am I getting through to you? You know what's coming, you motherfuckers don't even know, do you? Take some big and some pop and you mix them up in a pot. Sprinkle a little Big L on top. What the fuck do you got? You got the realest and illest killers tied up in a knot. The juggernaut to this rap shit. Like it or not, it's like a fight to the top just to see who died for the spot. You put your life in this, nothing like surviving a shot. Y'all know what time it is, soon as 50 signs on this dot. Shit, what you know about death threats, cause I get a lot. Shady Records was 80 seconds away from the towers. Some cowards fuck with the wrong building, they meant to hit ours. Better evacuate all children, nuclear showers, there's nothing spookier. You're now about to witness the power.
I feel like singing.
I can't sing, but
I wanna fucking sing.
Hey, you know you're my favorite white boy, right?
Yo, yeah, I'm happy. Check it out.
There they go, back in stadiums, and shady spits his flow. Nuts they go, macadamian, they go so ballistic, whoa. He can make them look like bozos, he's wondering if he should spit this slow. Fuck no, go for broke, his cup just runneth over, oh no. He ain't had him a boss like this since the last time that he overdosed. They've been waiting patiently for Pinocchio to poke his nose. Back into the game and they know rap will never be the same before. Bashing in the brains of these hoes and establishing a name as he goes. The passion and the flame is ignited, you can't put it out once we light it. This shit is exactly what the fuck that I'm talking about when we riot. You dealing with a few true villains who stand inside of the boot, true spilling and spit true feelings until our true feelings come flying up out of our mouths, never mind it. Payback, motherfucker, for the way that you got at me, how's it taste? When I slap the taste out of your mouth with the bass so loud that it shakes the place. I'm Hannibal Lecter, so just in case you're thinking of saving face, you ain't gonna have no face to say by the time I'm through with this place.
New watch, oyster face perpetual. Dubai drip on my Dubai shit. New big, after titties on my chest. Dubai drip on my Dubai shit. Yeah, nigga, about $1 million on my schedule. Dubai drip on my Dubai shit. Switch up, shit that I would never do. Dubai drip on my Dubai shit.
To the plan. Got a bottle in my hand. I wrote this off a dab. So drunk I need a cab. And I came in a Porsche. Getting brain like a dork. Good weed in my lungs. The way I hit it got her sprung. Fuck around and go broke in the club. They ain't nothing like us. What you heard? This a raw, not a blunt, bitch. Roll something up. If I ain't getting high, then I'm probably working. Spit the shit that got Miley Cyrus twerking. I go hammer with the grammar. To spin this many racks, you need stamina.
100 racks, all hundreds. Anything less, small money. Money so long, got a tag on it. Anything I want, drop bands on it. Bands on it, bands on it. Bands on it, bands on it. Bands on it, bands on it. Drop bands on it.
New chain, 100 grand on it. Bitch ass so fat, just land on it. Just bought a drop top, get a tan on it. All these bitches on my dick, put your hands on it. Hot pussy, put a fan on it. I go old LA, just ram on it. Dance on it. Clap, clap, motherfucking backhand on it. That Peter Pecker Piper, T-Raw knife for him, and they life up, fuck your life up. Turn up in the nightclub, nice one. Pop one in this bitch, drum and bass, Molly on the tongue.
100 racks, all hundreds. Anything less, small money. Money so long, got a tag on it. Anything I want, drop bands on it. Bands on it, bands on it. Bands on it, bands on it. Bands on it, bands on it.
Fresh photos in that new rose photo. Federelli's taking photos. Got the plug from the cholos. Buy two, we from me FOMO. I'm a fly boy on my high horse like Polo. Need a fly girl with a fat ass like J-Lo. Hey ho, I stay on my grizzly, no mayo. Got them killers on the payroll like a kid on spinning Play-Doh. Collar pop like the funds, my top back like LeBron. Your girl head is the bomb. She gave my dick a massage. Nigga can't get it less than 6 digits. And your pocket shorter than 6 minutes. All this ice in my go, keep my neck dripping. If it get icky, try and stick me, meet the murder business. This money got me looking handsome. Roll the weed so I can smoke. 50 models in my section. 100 bottles of that rose. Everything is on me.
100 racks, all hundreds. Anything less, small money. Money so long.
riders on it.
When I switch lanes, then them doors swing. Arm out the window screaming money in the thing. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. Robbie switch lanes, diamonds in my chain. Been around the world, all the hoes know my name. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. It's called automatic bang, bang, bang.
Fuck a nigga up, Louis belt match the chucks. I'm in the club with raw, nigga 10 ratchets tucked. Back it up like a U-Haul when cash is up. Spades in my ice bucket, rub that for luck. Racks in my cargoes, all them more stupid. Bitch say she in love with me, stay away from Cupid. That Panamera sick, lupus. T-Raw, show him how we do it.
I switch sign, do it, my new beat, the new disc. Peace like a Buddhist, cooler than Cool Whip. Your brain don't be stupid, faded like boozy. Cut like a crew neck, arm out the window, another check, another Rolex. More less, the more wet, the more sex. I must say I boarded the PJ, more than a piss test. I wake up, I'm fucked up, my ex trying to make up.
Break up, telling these bitches to get their cake up. Wake up, shooting my babies all on her makeup. I'm running through these hoes, Brandon Jacobs. Lambo doors up, sitting just like her legs. Eat it off from the club, rather fuck hoes instead.
When I switch lanes, then them doors swing. Arm out the window screaming money in the thing. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. Robbie switch lanes, diamonds in my chain. Been around the world, all the hoes know my name. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. It's that automatic bang, bang, bang. Never tell a bitch I love her, money talk. Chris Tucker got a chauffeur and a driver, I don't lease it, I'ma buy it. I be on the broke diet, you ain't eating but you biting my style. Motherfucker strike like lightning. T. Cardi, my bitch like Bagari. I walk in the spot, all the bitches both guard me. Spent 30 racks, I'ma make it back tomorrow. Pull up with a big titty bitch like Takara.
You ain't never seen a Rari, look like a safari. Tiger riding shotgun, snake Van Cardi. Air, I'm in them Nike Airs. 2500 nigga call them nights rare. See them niggas hating but I don't really care. Gold bottles coming, tell them bitches light flares. Snow on my wrist, call that really big bear. Niggas see it in the light, go Ric Flair.
When I switch lanes, then them doors swing. Arm out the window screaming money in the thing. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. Robbie switch lanes, diamonds in my chain. Been around the world, all the hoes know my name. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. It's that automatic bang, bang, bang.
Pull up at the barbershop, chop the top off the Phantom. Bitches screaming, hey, we ain't nowhere near Atlanta. Maybe she a rock star, maybe she a sinner. Fucking with them lottery balls, now she a winner. I'm all in that Virginia, I mean that vagina. Get lost in that pussy, nigga, you will never find him. Eat it like lasagna, eat it like E Honda. Shout out Breezy, shout out Rihanna.
When I switch lanes, then them doors swing. Arm out the window screaming money in the thing. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. Robbie switch lanes, diamonds in my chain. Been around the world, all the hoes know my name. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. It's that automatic bang, bang, bang.
Yeah. Fuck it.
I got a couple of mentions, still I don't have any manners. You got a couple of ghostwriters, but to these kids it don't actually matter. They're asking me what the fuck happened to hip-hop. I said I don't have any answers, cause I took a L when I dropped my last album. It hurt me like hell, but I'm back on these rappers. And actually coming from humble beginnings, I'm somewhat uncomfortable winning. I wish I could say what a wonderful feeling. We're on the upswing like we're punching the ceiling, but nothing is feeling like anyone has any fucking ability to even stick to a subject. Is killing me, the inability to pin humility. Why don't we make a bunch of fucking songs about nothing and mumble? I'm fucking, I'm going for the juggler. Shit is a circus, you clowns that are coming up. Don't give an ounce of a motherfucker about the ones who are here before you that made rap. Recap, way back, and seize that. Recaps on tape decks, 8 dats with a G-raps and K that we need 3 stacks ASAP and bring Matt to the ace back, cause tap. These rappers have brain damage. All the lean rapping, face tats syrupped out like tree sap. I don't hate trap, and I don't wanna see mad, but in fact, what I owe me at the same cat that would take that feedback and aim back. I need that, but I think it's inevitable. They know what button to press and whatever to pull to give me the snap though. And if I paid attention, I'm probably making it bigger, but you've been taking your dicks on a fucking backhoe. On the freaking minute, got me thinking of finishing everything with a seed of minute and reaping the benefits. I'm asleep at the wheel again as I'm thinking about an evil intent of another beat. I'm a killigan, cause even if I got it in a beating a pill again, even ketamine and methamphetamine with a mini, then it better be at least 70 or 300 milligram, and I might as well, cause I'ma end up being a villain again. Levels to the shit, I got an elevator. You could never say to me I'm not a fucking record breaker. I sound like a broken record every time I break a record. Nobody could ever take away the legacy I made. I never cater, motherfucker, never got a right to be this way. I got spiked inside my DNA, but I roll till the wheels fall off. I'm working tirelessly, ayy. It's the moment y'all been waiting for, like California wishing rain and pour. In that drought y'all been praying for my downfall. From the 8 Mile to the South Pass to the same marshal, that outlaw that they say is a rider might have fell off. I'm back on that bull like the cowboy. So y'all gotta move, yeah, y'all gotta move, yeah, y'all gotta move. Give me some room, give me some room. Give me the juice. How about the coupe? How about the coupe? How about the shoot? Y'all gotta move, y'all gotta move. Give me the juice.
Обновленный Nescafé 3 в 1. Твой идеальный баланс вкуса создан для общения.
This one is for the boys with the booming system. Top down AC with the coolest system. When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like he's saving up. And he ill, he real, he might got a deal. He pop bottles and he got the right kind of bill. He cold, he dope, he might sell coke. He always in the air, but he never fly couch. He a motherfucking drip drip, seller or the strip. When he make a drip drip, kiss him on a lip. That's the kind of dude I was looking for. And yes, you'll get slapped if you're looking hoe. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, my, you're like pelican fly. I mean, you're so shy and I'm loving your tie. You're like slicker than the guy with the thing on his eye. Oh. Yes, I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, I match them dudes up. Back coops up and chuck the dudes up. Boys in the polos, entrepreneur niggas in the mogos. He can roll with the cool, he can so loud. But I think I like him better when he's out loud. And I think I like him better with the fitted cap on. He ain't even gotta try to put the Mac on. He just gotta give me that look. When he give me that look, then the pennies coming off. Excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. You know I really got a thing for American guys. I mean, sigh, sickening eyes. I can tell that you're in touch with your feminine side. Yes I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, I match them dudes up. Back coops up and chuck the dudes up.
Fuck, really? What the fuck?
Yo, man, we going to the studio or what?
Yeah, let's go. Hold on. I keep getting fucking alerts on my phone. Alerts? Yeah, like articles and shit. Like Eminem completely phones in his verse. Like, man, what the fuck this?
What's wrong with him?
Man, you gotta stop looking at that shit, bro. God damn.
You know, everybody's been telling me what they think about me for the last few months. Maybe it's time I tell them what I think about them.
Against the clock I race, got no time to waste, I'm already late, I got a marathoner's pace. Went from addict to a workaholic, word to Dr. Dre and that first marijuana tape. Guess I got a chronic case, and I ain't just blowing smoke, less it's in your mama's face. I know this time Paul and Dre, they won't tell me what not to say. And know me and my party days have all pretty much parted ways. You swear to God I forgot him, the God that made not afraid. One last time for Charlemagne, and my response is late, it's just how long it takes to hit my fucking radar, I'm so far away. These rappers are like Hunger Games, 1 minute they're mocking Jay, next minute they get their style from Migos, so they copy Drake. Maybe I just don't know when to turn around and walk away. But all the hate, I call it walk on Watergate. I've had as much as I can tolerate. I'm sick and tired of waiting. I done lost my patience. I can take all of you motherfuckers on it once. You want it shady? You got it. Got it.
Yeah.
Don't follow my faith. Don't follow my faith. Line 'em up. Don't follow my faith. Don't follow my faith. Somebody tell Button before I snap, he better fasten it or have his body bag and zip. The closest thing he's had to hits is smacking bitches. And don't make me have to give it back to academics. Say this shit is trash again. I'll have you twisted like you had it when you thought you had me. Slipping at the telly, even when I'm getting brain, you'll never catch me with a thought. Lacking with it, he ain't spitting like this on his last shit. Oh, you better go back and listen, you know me better. Thinking I'll slow a let up, call it trap, cause it's a total setup. Hoping that you rappers fall in that. Dre said hold your head up. Kathy Griffin stacking ammunition, slap the clip and cock it back on competition. This is how I shot ahead. Gabby Gifford, my attack is vicious. Jack the Ripper back in business. Tyler, create nothing. I see why you called yourself a bitch. It's not just cause you lack attention, it's because you worship the 12 balls. You're sacrilegious. If you're gonna critique me, you better at least be as good or better. Get all the hood is wetter, whatever his name is, to help you put together some words more than just 2 letters. The fans waited for this moment, like that feature when I stole the show. Sorry if I took forever.
Yeah.
Don't follow my faith. Don't follow my faith. Line 'em up. Don't follow my faith. Don't follow my faith. Just remember, I was here before you, and I'll be here after you. Make you running for you. Detractors, I'ma have to fuck pitchfork with a corkscrew. Just what the doctor ordered. Revenge is the best medicine. Increase the dose from least to most, and then tell the Grammys to go and fuck themselves. They suck the blood from all the biggest artists like some leeches, so they nominate them, get them there, get a name to MC to show. Every parasite needs a host. Then give album of the year to somebody that no one's ever even heard of. All I know is I wrote every single word of everything I ever murdered. Time to separate the sheep from goats. And I got no faith in your writers, I don't believe in ghosts. When rap needed it most, I was that wing in a prayer. A beacon, a hope, a B-I-R-D in the air. Somewhere some kid is bumping this while he lip syncs in the mirror. That's who I'm doing it for, the rest I don't really even care. But you would think I'm carrying an Oxford dictionary in my pocket. How I'm burying these artists on a scale that turns your minus minus as various as Harley. And what's scary is you probably can compare me to your car, cause I'm just barely getting started. And far as Lord Jamar, you better leave me the hell alone, or I'll show you an Elvis clone. Walk up in this house you own, thrust my pelvic bone, use your telephone, then go fetch me the remote. Put my feet up and just make myself at home. I belong here, clown, don't tell me about the culture. I inspired the Hobsons, the Logics, the Coles, the Sean's, the K-Dots, the 5 9s and O. Brought the world 50 Cent, you did squat, piss and moan, but I'm not gonna fall, bitch. Yeah.
like a motherfucking 6'4", 6 flow, slick tuck, spitting that Crisco. Drop that shit like a cholo at the Dub Show. Then you hit the switch and pick it up and let the world know. Homie, if you broke, oh, no, you don't deserve hoes. All this fake bowlers only getting on my nerves, though. I just cracked the 40 now, sipping out the straw slow. Little bit of ratchet, little bougie, you should all know. Everybody got opinions, yeah, like assholes. You ain't gotta worry about those, cause they assholes. We just came to party, what you came for. When that shit goes down, the block get loud. In your backyard, bumping while we blazing out. Make it bounce in the motherfucking house. More bounce in the motherfucking house. When that shit goes down, the block get loud. In your backyard, bumping while we blazing out. Make it bounce in the motherfucking house. More bounce in the motherfucking house. Bounce, 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 bounce. To the red light. Bounce, 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 bounce. Make your head like bounce, 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 bounce. Like a low low. Bounce, 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 bounce. After po-po. Bounce that ass, yeah, bounce it. Puff the lot or get hot off the contact. Hold the law, we gon' make sure we come back. Falling out, we ain't never been about that. 100 spokes spinning on a chrome rim. I got a feeling that tonight we gon' be going in. I'm with a few bad bitches and some grown men. With the ice so cold, I feel like I'm snowed in. I feel like I'm rolling, but the whole place geeked up. It's getting hot in here, down to my wife's feet up. But you ain't gotta worry, we ain't dangerous. We came up. When that shit goes down, the blood get out. In your backyard, bumping while we blazing out. Make it bounce in the motherfucking house. More bounce in the motherfucking house. When that shit goes down, the blood get out. In your backyard, bumping while we blazing out. Make it bounce in the motherfucking house. More bounce in the motherfucking house. Bounce, 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 bounce. To the red light. Bounce, 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 bounce. Make your head light. Bounce, 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 bounce. Like a low low. Bounce, 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 bounce. After po-po. More bounce, more bounce, bounce. Backyard, backyard, bumpin', the block get loud. More bounce, more bounce. Backyard, bumpin', the block get loud. When that shit goes down, the block get loud. In your backyard, bumpin' while we blazing out. Make it bounce in the motherfucking house. More bounce in the motherfucking house. When that shit goes down, the block get loud. In your backyard, bumpin' while we blazing out. Make it bounce in the motherfucking house. More bounce in the motherfucking house.
I know these hoes ain't right, but you was blowing up her phone last night, but she ain't have a ring or not her ring on last night. Ooh, nigga, that's that nerve. Why give a bitch your heart when she rather have a purse? Why give a bitch an inch when she rather have 9? You know how the game goes, she be mine by halftime, I'm the shit. Ooh, nigga, that's that nerve. You all about her and she all about hers. Birdman Jr. in this bitch, no flamingos, and I done did every day but trust these hoes. See me for free.
A rich nigga, won't you? And your nigga can't do nothing for you. Oh, these hoes ain't loyal. Oh, these hoes ain't loyal. Yeah, yeah. Let me see. Just got rich. Took a broke nigga bitch. I can make a broke bitch rich, but I don't fuck with broke bitches. Got a white girl with some fake titties. I took her to the bay with me. Eyes closed, smoking marijuana. Rolling up that by Molly, I'm a rasta. She wanna do drugs, smoke weed, get drunk. She wanna see a nigga trap. She wanna fuck all the rappers. When a rich nigga, won't you, baby? And your nigga can't do nothing for you, nothing, no. These hoes ain't loyal, no they ain't. Whoa, these hoes ain't loyal. Yeah, yeah. Black girl with a big booty. If she a bad bitch, let's get to it right away. We up in this club, bring me ain't your man. That's a no-no, girl. All this money in the air, I wanna see you dance. Just got rich. Took a broke nigga bitch. I can make a broke bitch rich, but I don't fuck with broke bitches. When a rich nigga want you, baby, and your nigga can't do nothing for you. No, nothing, no. These hoes ain't loyal. Oh, no. These hoes ain't loyal.
Rich young nigga, name got bigger and my chains got bigger, so my chains got bigger. Ferrari, Jaguar, switching 4 lanes with the top down, screaming out, money ain't a thing. Me and CB in the bay with her. I sent her back home so you could lay with her. Okay, let's talk about this ice that I'm carrying. All these carrots like I'm a fucking vegetarian. Shout out Weezy F, keep a red bone wet. Rose Rolex, hoes on deck. She know I got a check. Do it too good when she ride that dick. Man, I wouldn't trust that bitch. Nope.
Come on, girl, why you frontin'? Baby, show me something. When I call her, she gon' leave. And I bet that bottom dollar she gon' cheat. Come on, girl, why you frontin'? Baby, show me something. You done spent your bread on her, and it's all for nothing. When a rich nigga want you, baby, and your nigga can't do nothing for you. These hoes ain't loyal. These hoes ain't loyal. When a rich nigga want you, baby, and your nigga can't do nothing for you. These hoes ain't loyal. They been playing games. These hoes ain't loyal. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Don't be shy. Get up and do your stuff. Do it, baby, yeah.
Ocean Park. Pop a perky just to start it. Pop 2 cups of purple just to warm up to cruise. I heard your bitch, she got that water. Splash, drip, drip, woo, splash. Slippery, oh, excuse me, please me. I'm up, believe me. Get beat, cause I'm blessing Rari's. You can bet on me. Hey, tater tot, fuck niggas on my radar watch. Crack a 500, turn them to some gator shots. Iced out watch, round 10 o'clock. Round, get that dinner, think it's 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. I'm gon' pop. If I don't, back to the box. I got rocks, big bills, big arms, stomach gun. Come out and play, let's have fun. Big scales, fish scale, big weight, iceberg, ice tray, plug call. Try to front, I don't need it, Get strong, wrist anemia, get freezing. Young nigga, pay your deeders. Grandma, Auntie Epic, Auntie Nisa, Uncle Bo, Auntie Greta, serve your Perkins. Auntie Eva, if she got a pound, she might just serve it. Pop a perky just to start her. Pop 2 cups of purple just to warm up. 2 cups, drink. I heard your bitch, she got that water. Splash, drip, woo, splash. Slippery, whoa, excuse me, please me. I'm up, believe me. Get beat, cause I'm flexing Rari's. You can bet on me. All set. Hey, slippery, she numbing me, that tongue on me. Honestly, she fuck with me, a wife to be. In Italy, bought her a fur, look like the wildebeest. Just chill with me, she just know
Don't worry, it is a bill to me. It ain't nothing. I pull up Diablo, I pull up with models. I gave her her first Philippe. We going for throttle, she swallowed the bottle. I'm all on her ovaries. I gave her some dollars, I Gucci the color, now she can't get over me. She wanna dose with me. Just hop in the ghost with me. Perky and Molly don't fuck with nobody. These bitch ass nigga ain't solid. Running your house with pumps in the shot of your mama might be up inside it. Cars robotic, bad bitch with a body, but really don't care nothing about it. Capping and popping, I seen a little Mozzie. I could've pulled up and just shot you. It's a jungle, I let them survive. Pop Perky just to start her. Pop 2 cups of purple just to warm up. 2 cups, drink. I heard your bitch, she got that water. Splash, drip, splash, slippery. Excuse me, please me. Believe me, get me. Cause I'm blessing Rory's. You can bet on me. I want water, diamonds and dripping when I slip. I threw a quarter, oh damn. But now I'm not tripping. Bugatti, on Forges and all, I'm not crip. I buy Ferraris like Jordans. On Mike and y'all pit. I'm chillin'. Just me and my business. They all in they feelings. My bitches, I spoil them like they chillin'. So persistent. If I want it, I go get it. I'm so slimy, grimy, shiesty but still shiny. Rude and unkind, crew with no kind. Shut the top on college, nigga. I ain't with no nine. I'm a murderer, nigga, but on remote violence. Dead shot. AK make your head rock. Red dot. Retro Android dead stop. Lean on rocks. Smiley Sanders rocks. Oxycontin. Take up, I'm your man, dog. Take up. Leg lock. Key, I got him lock the box. What's in that box? Don't tell them they might show the cops. Wrist spot. Normal, so I flood the block. Money flop. Panties drop. That's when the titties pop. Free my pops. Till they free, escort the cops. They know I kick a lot. They don't know I keep a block. Ain't been no drop. They think I've been sleep a lot. They think I'm dumb. They don't know I see the plot. See it. Fuck it, I season that. Perky just to start her. Pop 2 cups of purple just to warm up. 2 cups. Drink. I heard your bitch, she got that water. Splash. Drip. Splash. Slippery. Excuse me, please me. I'm up. Oh, believe me, get me. Cause I'm blessing Rory's. You can bet on me. Hey. I'm so fresh, man. Hey, y'all scared to do it how I do it?
I back it up, cause I don't
rocking J's or I be rocking Taylors. I got lots of flavors. My kick game is major. More kicks than the players. Call me up, I'm scoring. Hit it like a free throw. Tongue out like I'm Jordan. Mally, come swing the thing right by me. Got a joint if you wanna get stoned. Got choppers if they wanna try me. Pro athlete, I'm not no wannabe. Waitress asked how many bottles, I said 23. But I'm a Jesus, I'm not in my nature like I'm hip-hop-parade. My hands in the sky, I wave them from side to side. My feet on the floor, I'm about to turn up now. I'm in the club, high up perk, with some shades on. Tatted up, mini skirt, with my J's on.
In the club, high up perk, with some shades on. Tatted up, mini skirt, and my J's on.
J's on my feet, you know. J's on my feet, you know. J's on my feet, you know. So get like me. J's on my feet, you know. J's on my feet, J's on my feet. Yes, sir. So get like me. I stay showing out. My kick game is a beast. I got 30 pair of J's that ain't even been released. New game 12, Space Jam 11. All the hype be sick, they gon' need a paramedic. Turn up, I get trippy, I stay live. All this purple in my cup, match them grape vibes. I'm so high, I got 3 bitches that go by. I'm so fly, I get head like a blow drop. But I'm a chaser, dance the whole night away. I'm not in my nature like I'm hip-hop-parade. My hands in the sky, I wave them from side to side. My feet on the floor, I'm about to turn up now. I'm in the club, high up perk, with some shades on. Tatted up, mini skirt, with my J's on.
In the club, high up perk, with some shades on. Tatted up, mini skirt, and my J's on.
J's on my feet, you know. J's on my feet, you know. J's on my feet, you know. So get like me. J's on my feet, you know. J's on my feet, J's on my feet. So get like me.
Yeah.
If I ever said I'm never scared, just know I mean it. If I ever said I fuck your bitch, just know I mean it. And if I ever said I'm getting money, just know I mean it. And oh Lord knows, He knows I mean it.
Yeah.
You know I mean it. You know I mean it. Just know I mean it. Just know I mean it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
If I say that shit, then I mean it. She calls me, I screen it. I'm only fucking if it's convenient. You lie on pussy, that's weak shit. We pass pussy round, that's she shit. But you ain't fam, so what is this we shit? You cuff yours and then leave shit. Listen, I'm telling you, it's my world. I does what I wish to. If you're mad, well, too bad. Sounds like a personal issue. I walk in, they all stare like, who the fuck is this dude? Kicks game is just rude. Don't get jujitsu'd. Tunnel visions, I get ahead. Stay solid, I never fled. My haters feel like I'm better dead, but I'm quite alive, getting bread instead. With a better girl, with a better face, I'm in a better place, getting better head. I just wanna stay broke forever. Yeah, that's that shit no one ever said.
Never scared. Just know I mean it. If I ever said I fuck your bitch, just know I mean it.
I'm sincere. This year I'm in here, I'll spell it out to make things clear. And meanwhile your end's near, I've got a lane and I'm in gear. You people wonder who's next up, that conversation really ends here. You rappers just talk a bunch, stress me out, I chop a Dutch. You rappers trying to bite the sound, but my style is not too much. And I'm more like whiskey neat, and you're more like vodka punch. G's dope, you might blow up. Think I know, I've got a hunch. On my side, it's authentic. You try to stunt, but it's all rented. But you're dope, you got a bad chick, yeah, cool, bro, we all get it. She wears a ring, came through without it. You really think she stays true? I doubt it. Cause I'm fucking your girlfriend, and there's nothing you can do about it.
I'm never scared.